Motion got me all faded, my heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking.
Hi, so Wubo, hopefully I'm saying that correctly, sent me these awesome sunglasses. I had checked them out before they sent me an email and asked if I would do a review of them. So I love sunglasses. I always need to wear them, especially when I have the convertible with the drop top down, or my Toyota Supra. So I always got to leave, you know, get to keep the sun out of your eyes and stuff like that. Even with the window tint, the sun glare, it's just, you just need glasses. It's just so much better. Plus, you know, style. So they sent these to me to review. I have no idea what color they're going to be. I told them to surprise me. So let's check this out. What's really cool about it that I liked is they have this, it comes in a cool display box. So we can check that out. And then you have, see, Wubo. And then like the other side, same thing. It's a really cool case. And then what's really cool is so high-end sunglasses come with like they're glass instead of plastic, and they're like really nice clarity. And that's what's great about these, is they're not expensive, but the clarity of them is supposed to be amazing. We'll see. I'll test it out. Oh, that's so cool. So the other thing that I liked about it that a lot of sunglasses don't come with is the fact that this comes with a case. So I'm guessing maybe I've got the orange that they sent me. So this is the, let's see. So it comes in a padded, the case. What is really cool about the case, I'm gonna set that aside. What's really cool about the case is, you know, they take up space in your car, right? But this folds down. Look how thin that is. I thought that was really neat. It's like a really neat engineering design that you can have sunglasses, you can put the sunglasses in there, so you can have a sunglass case, but then you can sit there and like fold the whole thing down into nothing, so it doesn't take up space in your car. When you have the sunglasses on, you slip it right into wherever, and then, you know, when you need them, you just have the protective case. Cool, right? So neat. So let's check out the sunglasses. It also comes with paperwork, which I'll check that out now, I guess, before I show you the sunglasses. I don't want to ruin this. So it tells you about their congratulations on your new sunglasses. Wubo, we have been working hard to build better sunglasses, so we hope you love them. We started this journey as 3 friends with a dream in creating great sunglasses for great people. Basically, they're telling you about the warranty, lost and stolen. Steve, John, and Eric. I don't think I've talked to Eric. I've talked to Steve and John, messaging back and forth with them. They're really cool. I'll put it in a link of the video description at the end. I'll put a link to their YouTube channel that they started. That tell you kind of the journey of how they came about with these sunglasses, which is really neat, plus their office space. And yes, I love stickers. These are going to go in my garage, on my garage wall, because I absolutely love them. They have a 90-day no-hassle return policy. They also let you know about the different cleaning and care of them. It's really neat that they do that. A lot of sunglasses companies don't necessarily do that. So without further ado, a nice protective case that you can put it in, like a little, you know, cloth. You can also use these to wipe the glasses off. And then they've really protected these. Look, it comes in another plastic. So they really want to make sure that you get these things and you get them. Oh, what color is that? Oh, that is so cool. That is really cool. So that tricked me. I was thinking I was getting like the orange. Check this out. So it actually matches what I'm wearing. That is so neat. Oh, and the clarity of those. That is so clear. Sorry for the dogs in that. Check that out. That is so neat. And mind you, I have this really bright LED lighting on, so you can see the ring in the reflection of these sunglasses. Look at that. These are definitely sturdy. They're definitely metal. So if you can see, there's metal corner. And these are like a strong, like, I forget the name of the plastic. It's like not cheap plastic. And then these are actual glass, like a special glass. So they last. They're not like the cheap plastic. High-end sunglasses come with this type of glass as opposed to like low-end or the cheap ones you buy on the street or whatever. These are like high-end sunglasses, but for cheap. So what do you think? I know you can see the ring in my eyes, but check that out. That is really neat. I love that color contrast. It's like, if you look closely, I don't think you can see that. If you look closely, it's got like the swirl. It's like a swirl color thing going on. And then of course, the Wubo, I'm assuming, right there. That is so awesome. What do you think? These definitely are blocking the light and I can still see they're crystal clear. This is really nice. And then of course, the case, the bag, and then if you really want, also a box. So you have a lot. This is like really well done, really great packaging. That is so cool. So that's my review. These are like solid. They're not like cheaply made. They're definitely like, I'm pulling on that. And they're definitely not going anywhere. And then the nose piece too, if you look, it's not like a metal nose piece. It's got like this ridging to fit comfortably on your face. So if you look, they're sitting comfortable. Like, and there's no metal, it's nice and smooth. So especially in the summer, if you have like sunblock on or something like that, like me and my 370Z driving with the top down, definitely have that. But like, check that out. So you have that curving. So that way it sits on your nose, but it's not metal, so it doesn't get hot. It's not gonna like burn your face. So nice. Yeah. Styling, what's up? How you doing? All right, so these things are freaking awesome. Thank you so much for sending these to me. I'm definitely gonna be wearing these all the time now because that is really comfortable. I'll have to see what the wife thinks of them, but check out whatever YouTube video YouTube recommends to you, and hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely like and subscribe to my channel. That way I can get more cool free stuff like this and style out and actually do review for you guys as well. I do honest reviews. I pretty much only accept things that I like or I know that I'm gonna like. That way I'm giving, you know, I'm getting something that I like and it's not gonna go to waste, because I've gotten tons of offers for stuff that I'm not a big fan of or I just don't want. These, definitely worth every penny. Link in the video description to where to buy these.